Kim, for our second drink,
Yes.
I got you some pineapple and cilantro.
You got pineapple because there's more digestive enzymes in there, right?
Yes, that's the theme. And some ice. So I was thinking something refreshing.
Sure.
So let me see if you can get creative here.
Okay. So the pineapple, like we said, is going to have some nice digestive enzymes, right, to help people if they are feeling like food kind of gets stuck in their stomach or they get extra bloating or something like that. The cilantro it's a different taste, right? Some people think it tastes like soap, but I think it tastes pretty nice, and it's actually going to be a different flavor in a drink. You're not going to be used to that so much. And then good old-fashioned extra little lime, right? Sort of maybe like a little Mexican delight over here. Okay. So just move some of this out of the way. So to prepare a pineapple, right? Oh, here's a fun fact. How do you tell whether the pineapple is ripe?
I can tell you that what I do at the grocery store, I flip it over and I just look to see if this is a little yellow.
Okay.
And I can smell the aroma of the fresh pineapple.
Yeah, exactly. So if there's some yellow down here, right? If it's really yellow, it's going to be a little rotten, right?
Okay.
But if there's some yellow and if you smell it from here and it really smells like pineapple, then you got a good one.
All right.
Okay. So we're going to cut off the top. Here. Here's your top. If you want to plant that and grow another pineapple, you can, okay? And we're going to cut off the bottom.
The moment of truth.
The moment of truth.
Did I do a good job?
Then just slice around the pineapple, right, to get rid of all the eyes. These are the little eyes. You don't want those. Those are tough. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of pineapple in each pineapple, right? By the time you get rid of everything that you don't really want to eat.
It's well worth it though.
It is, yeah. Okay, push that to the side there.
I would just put this on the sink if you don't mind.
Then you're going to cut directly down the center and then down the center again, right? Because you have that core. You don't want to eat that part because that's tough too. Although we're just making a drink, so we could use that part, right? Waste not, want not. So we'll throw that in there. But you might want to eat the pineapple out of your drink later. So we're going to cut it off the center.
Well, I remember my mom used to puree the core of the pineapple.
Yeah.
And sometimes we would put that on top of a yogurt.
Oh, that would be delicious.
So it's another way of utilizing that.
Yeah. So we're putting the pineapple right into a pitcher here, okay? That we're going to use to make our drink. And then we're going to take the lime and cut off each end there too. I'm going to cut some little wedges and squeeze them in there, okay? And then just drop the rest of the lime in also so that you get some extra flavor permeating out of there.
Well, the aroma is already took over the room.
The lime, right?
Yeah.
Then, so this was one bunch of cilantro that you got here, right? I don't think we need the whole thing. We're going to use about a half. And we just let it sit in water until we were ready, right? Just going to break it a little bit so that some of the flavor comes out. We're going to throw that right in on top. You can smell that now that we broke it, right? And what you're going to do is take some hot water and pour it over the top, almost like you're making a tea and you're going to steep it. Because that's going to help some of the flavor come right out of the fruit and the cilantro. So we're going to let that sit for a minute or two.
Okay.
And then we're going to fill it up with ice to chill it down.
How do you keep your cilantro? Do you have any tips? I can tell you what I do, but I was...
Yeah, why don't you share how you keep your cilantro?
So when I come home from the grocery store, I just quickly wash, pat dry, and I like to cut the ends of it and put it in a container of water like this. And it has been a pretty good way of keeping it a little longer.
Yeah, that works pretty well. You could also, rinse it quick in the water and then roll it in a paper towel.
Okay.
And put it in the produce drawer.
On the paper towel.
Rolled up inside the paper towel.
Oh, wow, okay.
Because that will help keep the moisture on the leaves and everything. So.
All right, thank you.
Okay, so now we're just gonna, you can spoon some ice right in there. Put as much ice as you want. I'm gonna chill it down. This will be a great drink, you know, in the summertime, sitting out on the porch after work. But it also would just go fine if...
Mix it in?
Yeah, mix it all together. If you were looking for something to put into your water bottle during the day, right? To sit at your desk and drink that wasn't just plain water, you wanted a little bit of flavor.
Which I think it's so important to have these options of different drinks that are so healthy, so you don't feel like you need to hydrate just by drinking plain water.
Right.
Yeah. Wow, this looks beautiful.
I think that's pretty good. It feels already cooled down quite a bit. And we'll get you a glass.
Right?
Fill it up and you can try it out.
I would actually
Lots
like
of
to
fruit
get
in
some.
there.
Yeah.
Get you a little more cilantro.
Thank you.
It's a little tricky. We need some tongs or something. That's okay. Whoop.
No problem with me. I love cilantro.
There we go. The cilantro is very potent. The smell of it. From steeping with the hot water, you're gonna get a lot of scent.
This is perfect for me.
Perfect for you because of the amount of cilantro.
And it's just the look of the refreshing look here. I already feel
Yeah, you can see the layers of the fruit.
the refreshing coming in. So perfect. Thank you.
Great.